Okay, this is my bike check for my 2011 custom bike. No, I haven't made a video for about a month, but I'm going to start putting a bunch up now. Okay, let's start with the top. I have Alienation blacklarsh grips. I've had them since last April. They don't have a hole in them yet. They're pretty good. Bars are nitrous OG bars in blue. They're pretty good, haven't had any problems on them. The stem is a Eastern 3 choker 3 stem. I've had a little bit of problems with the bar screen, but other than that it's fine. Animal headset in blue. Eastern Curb Monkey folding tire. And then S&M pitchforks in chrome. They're really good. Okay, the rim is a Alienation black sheep laced to a nitrous hub and just a metal peg. The frame is a S&M Camron wood 2 frame. Really good. Got Dan's comp stickers, ollies. The stem is a Sabrosa layback pivotal seat post. The seat is an Alias PC pivotal seat. Sprocket Eastern Madusa 3D in blue. The cranks are Eastern Motley cranks. For the pedals, I have two different ones. I have an Eastern Crown pedal and an Animal Hamilton pedal because my other Eastern Crown stripped out of my cranks. Okay, KMC Crazy Chain. Eastern Curb Monkey folding tire. Nitrous ring rim laced to a nitrous hub. And a metal peg. Okay, that's my bike check.